Before we jump in, don't miss BTCC's YouTube exclusive reward. Get a 10% rebate on your first deposit. That's free money just for depositing. Links in the description. Now, let's start the video. What if your first futures trade on BTCC came with protection? For a limited time, BTCC is giving new campaign participants a 100% risk-free first futures trade. Here's how it works. First, register for the campaign before you trade. Then, open your first futures position. If your first closed futures trade ends in profit, great! You keep your gains. But if your first trade ends with a loss, BTCC will reimburse 100% of that loss, up to 50 USDT in futures trading funds. That means your first losing trade can be fully covered with no minimum threshold and a 100% offset ratio. And there's more! Every day, the first 20 registered users whose first trade ends in a loss will get an extra 20 USDT cash on top of the reimbursement. Yes, real USDT cash. Fully tradable and fully withdrawable. So, if you are one of the first 20 eligible users of the day, you can receive both the loss coverage bonus and the extra 20 USDT cash boost. Rewards are distributed every Tuesday and Friday based on the net loss of your first closed futures position after campaign registration. Just remember, you must click register now before trading. Trades made before registration will not qualify. This campaign is designed to help you start futures trading with more confidence, lower pressure, and real protection on your first move. Register now, make your first futures trade, and let BTCC help cover your risk. Trade smarter with BTCC.